Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A07. In this video I want to show you how to manage app permissions and privacy dashboard on this device. So first of all, let's open settings on this device and let's scroll to section security and privacy. Now let's scroll down to privacy section, and here you will see permissions that were used in last 24 hours. So let's tap here and let's tap specific permission like camera, for example, to see which apps accessed this category and change their settings. Let's go back to this page, and now let me show you how to manage permissions by category. To do this, you want to tap on more privacy settings and let's go to permission manager. Let's open camera, and here you will see applications that are allowed to use this category while in use. So as you can see, here are my applications. So my camera, can access my camera, which is obviously messages, my phone, and some others. And here you can see applications that are not allowed to use my camera. So if I want to change that, I will need to tap on this option and select allow only while using the application, or you can set ask every time. So that is basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.